Hello, little explorers. It's a beautiful, sunny day, and look who's here to play with us. It's Chirpy, the little bird. Chirpy loves to fly high up in the big, blue sky. Let's go on an adventure with him. Look! Chirpy is soaring through the fluffy white clouds. What's that he sees? Wow, there are colorful, glowing shapes floating all around him. They're so sparkly and bright. Chirpy is so excited to see what they are. Are you ready to discover them with Chirpy? Oh, look at that one. It has 3 sides and 3 pointy corners. It's sparkling so much. What shape is it? It's a triangle, a triangle. Chirpy flies closer. And with a magical little sparkle, whoosh, the triangle turns into a beautiful, colorful kite. Look at it dance in the wind with its long, wavy tail. Chirpy chirps happily as he flies alongside the amazing triangle kite. Triangles can be so much fun! Now, what's this round shape over here? It's shining so brightly, just like a big, golden coin. What could it be? It's a circle, a circle! As Chirpy gives it a little nudge with his beak, pop! The circle starts to glow and becomes a big, smiling sun. Hello, Murdot's sun! The sun winks at Chirpy and makes the whole sky warm and happy. Circles are all around us, just like our friendly, smiling sun. Here comes another one. This shape has 4 sides, and they are all the same. It's spinning and spinning around. Do you know what it is? It's a square, a square! With a little twirl and a magical poof, the square becomes a window in a lovely, colorful house. Chirpy peeks through the window. I wonder who lives inside. Squares are strong and steady, just like the windows of a cozy little house. Oh, my goodness! Look up high. What's that twinkling shape? It has 5 pointy arms, and it's shining so brightly in the sky. It's a star! A star! Chirpy loves stars. He starts to sing a happy little song. Star, star, shiny and far. The little star winks back at him, sparkling like a diamond. Stars are so magical and beautiful, aren't they? What a fantastic day of learning shapes! Chirpy flies down to rest on a leafy green branch. He's so happy he made so many new friends today. Look, the triangle, the circle, the square, and the star are all dancing around him, saying goodbye. Chirpy learned so much, and we did too. Thank you for joining Chirpy on his wonderful shape adventure. We hope you had fun! Don't forget to look for shapes all around you. See you next time, little friends. Bye-bye.